Entertainment, the same family that Una also belongs to. So I'm truly excited to be here. I'll be your host. And let's do agree with one thing. Ang trabaho mo is to, of course, keep the energy up, definitely as a host. And of course, to take you guys to memory lane and get to know more our newest P-pop girl group, Una, of course. So, marami tayong kwentuhan. Titignan natin kung anong storya nila, paano ba nung grupo nila. I know a lot of you, kilala niyo po sila, but we've got a lot of people right here, very special people who would be want the story to go out there. Siyempre, we have our friends from the media as well supporting us. Palagpapan na natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, thank you for being present. Siyempre, natin rin, although tayo, nasa dito ang mga fans ng Una! Grabe naman. Nagsisimula pa na talagang ready na sila. Alright, so hindi ko na po ito papatagalin pa. Let me, ayan, pag in-announce ko to, hiyaman tayo ng malakas. Ladies and gentlemen, today you are part of this milestone and history in P-pop. Of course, welcome to the official launch of the debut of the newest P-pop girl group to watch out for. This is Una Tingin with Una! Yeah, I love that energy. We'll make sure that is all about. Grabe, you know what? Kwenta na the girls worked so hard to get here. They trained together as a group for almost a year, but individually, they've been working so hard, training and making and honing their talents. They have been putting in the work in hopes of realizing their dream to become music artists. No, para matawag ka na isang music artist, napakalaking karagalan. And that dream is finally realized right here, right now, today. Hindi siya panaginip, totoo na po ito, it is tangible for the girls. So, kung espesyal ang araw na ito para sa inyo, talaga namang espesyal ito sa kanila. Kanina, I went a while ago, right on the backstage. Gusto na nilang lumabas para makita kayo. They keep on asking, ano po ba maraming bang tao? Puno-puno ba? Parinig niyo naman ang ingay niyo sa kanila, guys! Isang palapit na una! Sumisilip sila na sa... So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa una, don't you worry, girls, because we've got all the love for you today. At syempre, totoo naman po ito, this is the beautiful journey kasama po ang bawat isa sa atin. Tayong lahat, kaya just as excited for me to be standing right here in this very milestone event. Alright, so, pre-thank you pala po ito, sinusuportahan niyo po sila. At syempre, on behalf of Aguila Entertainment, and of course, our very own Isla Entertainment, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. So, quick bias check muna tayo. Siyempre, ko kilala niyo po ang members ng Una. But let's see. Tatawagin ko sila isa-isa. Siyempre, ang kanilang mga pangalan, gusto ko maghiyawan kayo kung sila yung bias ninyo. Alright? So, who is excited right here for Una Colleen? Who is excited for Una Isagi? Yes. How about who is right here for Una Jimmy? Sino naman na nandito for Una Carrie? Finally, rounding up the Una team, who is right here for Una Balas? Wow, grabe. I love that energy, ladies and gentlemen. Kanya-kanya mong bias tayo, syempre. We are here to support them as one, especially since that is what it represents. Being one, being in harmony, and being in sync all together. So we will get to know more about that, what they stand for as a group later on. But for now, let's give the floor to the people who made Una very much possible. Sila yung mga unang tao naniwala sa grupong ito. So not to miss the event, I'd like to go right here on this very stage. Sana kilala nyo rin po sila. Of course, simulan po natin muna sa Aguila Entertainment. Later on will be the force behind Isla Entertainment naman. Kilala nila rin po ito. But for now, let's give the floor to Aguila Entertainment General Manager John Enriquez. John, come player? Naganda po si Jan. Bumili ko yun ng bago aking pansin. Tapos, si Jan, nag-makeup din yan, no? Diba? Oh, okay. And of course, syempre, the very beautiful, the one and only CEO of Aguila Entertainment, Miss Katrina Aguila, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so, I know you guys are excited as everybody is. So, I'd like to, of course, welcome everybody, and what can you say? Una muna si Miss Katrina.
Actually, we prepared a speech for everyone, of course. Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for being with us today. For more than 20 years, Aguila Entertainment has built and sustained the careers of some of the country's top actors and actresses. Back in the days when the whole nation watched live demos or exposés in entertainment functions, up to now when social media reshaped the entertainment landscape, Aguila Entertainment continues to adapt and make sure we keep our stars up on the radio.
But of course, entertainment is not just more than just acting. We all have our other private industries like the music industry. While we have music artists like Jennifer Mercado and Nicolas Alamanga, managing the girl group is a different animal. That is why we presented with the opportunity to have 5 very talented young ladies, 50 round opportunity, and top on the challenge.
Saki, Pauline, Jay, Carrie, and Bella are not just performers. They are dreamers. Just like many young women out there, they are hard workers, and they are driven to make it in this popular industry. Despite many reflections, they persevere and continue to fight for their dreams.
Of course, they're not alone in this journey. As they say, it takes a village to turn them into the pop stars that they are now. So with that said, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank very important people who helped us since day one. Thanks to our dance coaches, Jeremiah Ezekiel de Guzman, Chanduel Almasan, Julian, Ray Mora, and Alec Momanan. Sila, coaches, ano sila? Palapakanan naman natin natin mga coaches, dance coaches. Voice coaches, Debbie Zuniga, Melissa Reyes, and John Lopez Uy. Of course, our personality development coach, Ms. Karen acting coaches, Jake Makabagal, and Adam Madero. Again, a round of applause for our coaches sila po talaga training sa ating service. Big thanks also to our glam team, Nico Eusebio for hair makeup. And of course, stylist, goggles, trainers. Palapakalit natin sila, our glam team. And of course, salamat sa Eagle Life of College, Aguila Entertainment Founder, Tita Bertica.
Last but not the least, the second mom to our girls, and the very first person to believe it. No other than Isla Entertainment President, Miss Marietta Cunha. Very, very beautiful. Your work way long.
Ayan, natin kanina. Oh, pwede rin papasang ko na member din yan. I want a round of applause for our East President.
From Aguila Entertainment and Isla Entertainment, congratulations to them. We will be with you every step of the way. We are very proud of you. Tita Maria.
Thank you everyone for coming. Enjoy the show.
I love the energy, Tita. Well, having said that, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? John and Kat and Tita Maya, si Una, para mga bunso namin sa Aguila. Of course, bunso siya nila Tita Maya. But, huwag na natin patagalin ba? I'm sure you're all excited to meet them. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to really show your love to our very own girl group. We know we are rooting for them. So, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to no other than, sabay-sabay tayo, Una! performance right on this very stage. The very first performance on this stage. Once again, give it up for Una! Performance pa lang, enunciate na tayo. You know what? Nagulat ako ha. Kasi doon sa backstage, you know what guys, nung in-introduce ako sa kanila, sabi nila sa akin, sobrang prim and proper ba ako sa kanila. Tapos pagdating sa stage, transform ko lang. Iba talaga yung star power na wala. So, sasabihin ko sana, girls, welcome to your humble lunch. Pero launching pa lang, nakita niyo naman yung suporta ng mga tao! Pag hindi humble, yan talagang naghanda. Ibig sabihin, ganun kami lahat naniniwala sa inyo, your management, everybody. So, having said that, marami tayong yung pag-uusapan. But before anything else, sabi ni John, ako hindi ko pala nakikita. You have a very interesting way of introducing yourselves. At that mga dito sa John. So here we go. Alright, without further ado, girls, please do introduce yourselves.
Hi everyone, I am Misaki. Hi everybody, it's your girl Khalil. Hey, I'm Lala. Hey yo, it's Jigaloo. Hi guys, I'm Karen. Got to won't be one. O-O-L-A. Hi, we are Una.
Wow! Moving from Valentin Pan, what an impact you girls are really making. And the impact really is felt not just by your fans, by our friends from the media, by management and everybody supporting you. Your friends and family are also here, tama ba? So yung mga friends and family, proud na proud sa kanila. Nandito na sila. Siyempre, okay? So, talagang ready na sila, alright? So, here we go. I've got a lot of questions in store for you, even in my head. Pero simulan natin. Alam marami sa fans nyo, alam yung story nito. Alam paano kayo nagsimula. But we got friends from the media. Also keen to know, how did you come up with the name Una? Maybe you can answer that.
Una simply means beacon, where our differences create balance and harmony. And we hope to inspire people to love and accept who they really are, and to celebrate our differences that create balance and harmony.
Wow, well said, well said. Siyempre sa pangalan yung palang Una, talagang super impactful and memorable na and all that. And we're truly excited. But let's talk about what you are feeling right now. Because as I said, this is your humble debut launch, but look at how big our venue is and how many fans you guys have. How are you guys feeling right now?
Well, we're so excited.
Excited and grateful to actually be here. Alright, maybe we can also hear from the others. How are you? Saki.
I'm feeling very, very blessed and grateful. Everything feels so surreal, especially ang dami na po namin pinagdaanan. As in, sobrang dami po together and individually. Taon-taon na po yung ginugol namin para mapunta po kami dito. And madaming hardships, challenges, rejections, redirection,
Wow.
confusion din.
Lahat na ng feelings na naman natin, ano?
But even after everything, all I can say is that God perfectly planned and orchestrated everything and now we're here. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much po.
God's perfect timing.
Actually, copy paste. Hindi po, pero honestly, halos po lahat kami, same po kasi same din po kami nagkalalasan. And yung journey po namin, pinagdaanan po namin, we share that with each other. Kaya super grateful po kami na dito kami. Gusto ko lang po i-shoutout yung mga supporters po namin. Siyempre, of course, our family, our friends, management po namin. Super thank you po sa paniniwala sa amin. Dahil po sa paniniwala niyo sa amin, nag-speak up po kami, nag-speak up po tayo sama-sama. And now, we're finally here po, mag-debate po kami. So, super happy po. Parang hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin po nagsisingit. Actually, kagabi. Ako personally, mas naubra po yung stress. Pero,
Were you able to sleep though?
no, actually, I only had like 1 hour of sleep. Pero super, po ako, hopeful sa mga mangyayari. Ang dami kong inaasahan na magandang mangyayari today. So, kahit stressful, nilook forward ko na lang yung mga magagandang mangyayari today. Super happy po ako.
Hopeful is such a powerful word. What big word do you have for us today?
Honestly, I'm so grateful today. Kasi it's finally happening. And super saya.
Wala mo nag-iiyak, girls, ha? Wala mo what's gonna make up? Go ahead.
So happy to be here and super happy talaga kasi like, after 1 year of training, finally nandito na kami, napapakita na namin yung talent namin.
Well said, well said. Of course.
Ako po, Kasi sorry.
Right? Okay.
Hindi na pa po
Okay,
namin
okay.
pinipilian din nasa
Kaya ako.
taas.
Baka masira yung callers, mamaya mo nang ano. You know, we've got a really amazing program and I've got a lot of questions and I'm sure our friends from the media are also keen to know about a lot of things about you. But for now, you have a very special song na you will be performing for us, di ba? Ito rin yung unang ever single that you released. So a lot of your fans know you for this unang single. So, and you also wrote this as a group, tama ba ako? Wow, napaka-talented talaga these girls. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats because at this point in time, we will hear voice from our girl group performing Darama. So, tell us about that inspiration behind it. Maybe konting process of you guys coming up with that.
Well, honestly, yung daraw ko, hindi po parang ayaw ko magsalita.
It's okay, it's okay.
And then, pero honestly po yung daraw, hindi po siya plan or hindi po siya isa sa mga song na nilook forward namin na gawin. Parang nung
you just let the talent flow out, diba? Of course, the song is just one thing, the lyrics, the music, and all that. Another thing is the dance moves, diba? The choreography of that. And you girls came prepared for it. How did you guys come up with the choreography for it? What was the process for it?
So currently we have quite a few coaches now. For this Darama song, we have two coaches who really helped us create this choreography, and that is Coach Jeremiah, and Coach Shadbo. And
Shout out po sa coaches po namin.
And actually, it was super fun and super laki ng pagkalimat na yun sa Darama. Kasi sila po actually parang nag-came up with the doll-like choreography. Kaya super dolly po na, and it's parang nakatulong siya talaga to help bring the Darama to life.
Yes.
Well said. Darama is definitely something to look forward to. How big it's gonna get out there because it has everything that you need, to make it catchy and the choreography and all that. That's why we're also guiding everybody to please go out on your socials. Meron tayong Darama Dance Challenge.
Yes, baka naman.
Oo, diba? So, if you would really want to show love for our girls, for our Una girls, one thing to do is go out there and promote it to your families and friends as well para masuportan natin mga girls. Okay? Alright, so, girls, please do catch your breath, hingang manalan, because we're gonna have another performance. So, invitation tayo dyan, inom muna kayo, okay na mag-break?
Para pag-uusap ko namin yun.
Alright, pwede, but you know what, as I said, this is a very special day. We debut launched on ating mga Una girls. So, it's just right that today, question sa inyo, would you like to hear a new song from them? Yung kanta, wala pa nakakarinig. Sila na kaya naman napaka-special na to. Let's give them a few minutes para magano. It's kind of hard. Being an artist, being a music artist, actually hindi nga lang sila music artist eh. Parang mga atleta rin itong mga to, you need to have the agility, the endurance to dance and all that. Do you guys agree? Diba? Pag nakikita natin yung mga idols natin, we're just kind of like, yeah, parang nabibilang tayo sa kanila. But you know what? If you see the hard work that they put in behind, hindi lang yung physical nandiyan yung emotional. Kaya pinipigilan ko umiyak muna sila kasi diba parang iba yung But of course, it's a lot of challenge and yung 1 year training na parang hindi pa yun hindi lang yun yung full picture. Kasi bawat isa sa kanila hindi po rin naman effort. So, I want to know, are you girls ready for this? And then ako yung perform ang pinakabagong kanta na ngayon ang natin marinig. Yes, you have a question. Can we get the mic, please? Yeah.
Ako ba, I have a question. Are you guys ready to hear a new song from Una?
Are you guys ready to hear the new song? There we go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Una. Grabe ang una, ladies and gentlemen! Wow, P-pop is definitely in good hands in a bright future. So for now, alam namin pinagod namin kayo. So we'll give the girls a chance to freshen up and change to new outfits by our very special stylist. So girls, please do exit the stage and take a bow for now. Later on, we're gonna be going back una once again. Ay, grabe naman yun. So later mga kasama natin sila will know more about their story. But for now, I am right here, right now, to give prizes for everyone. Ay, for everyone, di ba na? Siyempre, we're very selected people lang. So, ang tanong ng bayan, sino dito ang gusto manalo ng prizes for muna? Dito? So, I need probably 3 people right here on stage. Kung sino mauna? Kung sino mauna, di ba? Siyempre, mga unang fans natin, they are known to be not mahihain, katulad ng ating mga unang girls. Pero silang akas na dala. Kaya naman, I am calling them right here on stage. Ayan. Okay, nandito na sila. Nasaan pa sila? Ito yung mga prizes natin. Ako naman, nilaki naman yung mga prizes natin. Ano kayo naman ito? Pero dito malimit yung showcase. Okay, so having said that, sige na. Punta na kayo dito right here on this very stage. Pwede rin akong bumaba dyan kung nahihiya pa kayo ng konti. Alright, nasa na habang naghahanap kami ng mga contestant natin for this one, for this event was very much made possible by the amazing sponsors that we have for today. Grabe po yung support sa ating mga unang girls dahil pre-debut launch pa lang, napakarami na po natin sponsors. And we're inviting everyone to please do visit the mga booth natin around dyan. Napakarami natin freebies for everyone. So, we'd like to thank our premier partners. We have Metathion as we're advertising. I got Gold Legend Drink. Sandy Barley Family is right here as well. Janice, Annual Napkin. I hope I said that right. We also have our gold partner for today. We have Super Sam, the Chandelier, Mayor Jackie De Dios, Party Submitted, Sogo Hotel. Maraming salamat sa suporta. We also have our official partners. Itsu Tea is right there. Cara Care is also with us. Eve Elvin, JJ Beauty, Yakult. May iba tayo na huwag dyan kung mahilig sa Yakult. They're also there. We also have Jake Sense, Bright Excel, LBC Builders, Mogo, KC 13 and 1. Turmeric Tea is right there. They've got samples as well in their booth. We also have Just Mix Mobile Bar. We will give them all any drinks for today. And we also have messaging community drinking table, cake graphics and printing. Click District Potato Corner is right there. Kung paborito nyo mga potato corner, nandyan sila. And special thanks also to Sips Coffee, maraming salamat, and Petrin Ongsiaco, Norman Ongsiaco, Rose G. Canido, Clarice Chan, Ivy Sandostiano, and Benchai Sandostiano as well. So having said that, let's go back to business. Nasa na ba ang ating 33 contestants para sa araw na ito? Nakakuna ko yung lalapit dyan. Or maybe, ay pag-wait ko ano ko sa inyo. Nasa tuwing mga fans nila nung una. Asa na sila? Nasa na sila? Sino ba ang pinaka-active na table dito? Sino mga super fans dito? Sa sila? Oy! Table number 30 siya. Management table natin yung mga ito. Parang binigay niya sa sarili niyo yung prizes, di ba? Nagkakalhan, di ba? They're right here, of course, to support us. Pero, table 16 also, I think. Table 29. Andito sila. Sinong representative ninyo? Sinong pinaka-tahimik? Pinaka-introvert? Pasagin natin yung pag-introvert niya. Walaan ko kayo. Hello. So having said that, sino ba ang mag-represent ng grupo? Ayan, so kukunin natin yung tuturo. Alright, well, sige, quick question lang muna sa grupo ninyo. Hindi kayo magkakakilala? Parang nilaglag mo sila lahat sa bus? Kaya tanong lang sa inyo, gaano nyo nakatagal? Kilala yung unang girls. Alam ko, pinigil mo lang today, pero I'm sure you know them from before. Ilang months or weeks na silang kilala? Sino pinaka nauna maging fan? Ayun. Pagkawan naman. Oh, what is your name? Jam, okay. Dahil Jam, ikaw na ang makakasama ka sa stage. Actually, yung mga dalawa galing sa grupo. Sino ang sumunod na naging fan? Ang pangalawa. Nahihirapan ako sa inyo. Hindi, sige, ikaw na lang. What is your name? What is your name? Kaya. Sige. Tapos, sino naman ang pinaka-last, pinaka-latest na naging fan? Pinaka-last sa grupo. Ang hirap ng tanong, di ba? Pantay-pantay. Ako na lang yung pumili. Ang hirap naman. Ano bang criteria natin? Sige. Sir, baka pwede ikaw na lang. Sige. Alright, so ayos na. Tara, samahin naman ako sa stage para makita ng audience yung pero kung ba gusto mong mga goal, hindi ka sa other groups? Palaban talaga yung grupo. Gusto nyo rin humabol? Pwede rin. Pero yung mga tinawag ko, punta na tayo sa stage. From the other side naman. Sino dito? Pinakamalupit. Pinakapogi. Pinakapagbato ng grupo. Sir, dahil ako naman yung napag-utusan lang. Huwag magagalit sa akin. Pero ikaw na ang champion yung grupo. Ano mo pangalan? Leo! Sige yung Leo. Ayaw na ako Leo. Yung naka-blue. Wow, talagang bias na sila. Sir, come on, Sir Leo. And, nasa din yung friends, Sir Gaya and friends. Come on over. Come on, don't be shy. And naging ito for sure. Interview lang. We've got very special big prizes for all of you. Kaya napakarami na yung mga prizes para tayo. Siyempre, nandito tayo to have fun, diba? To make the day fun for everybody. Ayan, dito yung stage. Naku, yung mga Pilipino talaga, huwag kang mahiya. Tayo lang nandito. Okay lang yan. Come on over. Ayan. Leo! Gusto mo buhatin pa kita? Susukin mo ba kita? Come ready. Okay. So, nandito tayo. So, bago yung lahat, magpakilala muna kayo in your... Dapat may una. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Dapat ganun. Dapat may sarili rin kayong dating. Kasi syempre, hindi na enough kung pakit lang kayo. Nakita niyo naman yung mga girls natin, prepared sila. The way they introduce everything, inaral nila yan. Syempre, kung hindi mo magpapatalo, dapat iigitan nyo as fun yung energy ng mga girls natin. So, I'd like each and every one of you to introduce yourself. Starting with our very first one. We have Una. alam niyo naman, narinig niyo na of course yung Darama, di ba? We have a very special dance for that. So, this time around, we're gonna give you the floor para sa ating Darama Dance Challenge. So having said that, okay lang yan. I know it's very technical, the steps are very technical, and the girls done it very expertly. Pero whatever you remember, kung ano man ang natatandaan ninyo doon sa choreography namin. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with Unang Kaya. So here we go. So, i-judge natin kung sino sa alam pinakamagaling for our freebies. Alam mo, freebies natin ng piece of management. Here we go. Starting with our contestant number 1, TJ. Hit that music. Chorus na daw. DJ. Punta tayo sa chorus na agad. There you go. Medyo backtrack. Hey! DJ, balik tayo sa chorus. Backtrack a little bit. Here we go. Yes. Grabe kaya. Una kaya. Si Kaya, nahihiya ako. Pero grabe, practice. Kaya, it's gonna be hard to top that one, of course. We got our other Una Kasa hindi magpapatalo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 2. Here you go. Okay, we got 2 more to go, ladies and gentlemen. Alam niyo, masabi ko lang to, yung choreography, yun ang yung Darama. So when it flows on your body, di ba? Talaga, the next step just goes through. Sobrang galing. Tingnan natin ang ating contestant number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that music. Of the world. Alam niyo ba yung combination niyo yun? Ginanap yung live sa Aruba. Siya lang po ang champion. Here we go. Handa na ba kayo? Pinatay na kami mo. Sabi mo, handa ka na ba? Kumanda ka ito na si Leo. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4. Give it up for Una Leo. totally OG fans ang una dahil ngayon pa lang sinusuportahan niyo sila. So maraming salamat on behalf of them. So later on, syempre, we'll give a chance sa mga kantuhan niyo sila para makuha niyo yung prizes niyo. So maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen, para pa natin ang mga OG Una fans! Thank you guys! Grabe! Sobrang sarap naman makasama ng mga Una fans. So fun na talagang game na game ang bawat isa. Alright, so maraming salamat for that. And for this part, ladies and gentlemen, I think ready na ang girls para sa kanilang second look na talaga namang inaabangan ng lahat. So hats off to our stylist also helping our Una girls. Sabi nga nila, it takes a village. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, back right here on stage, our Una girls. Here they are. Here we go. Once again, let's have right here our Una girls. Actually, dito sila magagaling sa ilalim ng stage. Huwag to kayo nakakita. They're right there. Palakpakan niyo daw sila kasi hindi sila bababa pag hindi sila pinalawan. Girls, come on right now! Here they go. Ayan, nagagaling ko manager. Oh. Ayan. Here they are. Wow. So we're refreshing this is the second look. Girls, please be careful. Come on, I'm excited to see you. Hello. Okay. Okay, look. Let's take on that face. Don't worry, I got it. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is the second look that you guys have. Like what I said, is very refreshing. Sino ba yung stylist nyo? Baka naman gusto nyo mag-shoutout sa kanila.
Ay, syempre po, shoutout po namin si Mama Gano. Ano po siya? Ayun po! Shoutout po namin sa
Thank you so much for styling na.
Thank you po. Also sa amin po, glam team na rin po, glam team. Thank you so much po. Thank you po. For making us beautiful.
So, kanina talaga naman nakita namin the power of your Una fans. Hindi nyo naman tatanong, nagkaroon kami ng dance challenge right here on this very stage. Papakita namin yung video sa inyo later on, definitely ma-appreciate yan. But you know, speaking of people to appreciate, there's a lot of people that is right here to support you. At syempre, may mga tao rin tayo. Sabi ko nga, ang dami yung sponsors. Napansin nyo ba? Kaya hindi ko talaga maintindihan kung humble lunch ba to. Sabi kasi sa script, very humble lunch hangover.
Super humble na.
Oh, super humble eh. Napakaraming sumusuporta sa inyo. But we got a very special video to you guys. So let's all watch this.
Sa aking mata
can't wait to see what we'll achieve together. See you girls soon. Congratulations again.
Thank you,
Wow, so we now officially welcome you to Sheen and Clay. And here's another one, ladies and gentlemen. From the other side, other side, other side.
Hi Una, it's an awesome day. Love Santa. I just want to welcome all of you to the Awesome Smile family. Congratulations on this new chapter. We're so excited to be part of your journey and to watch you grow, create more amazing music, and achieve even bigger things. As you take on the new stage and new milestones, know that Awesome Smile will always be here to keep your smiles bright and confident every step of the way. We're so happy to have you with us, and we can't wait to make more awesome smiles together. See you again soon.
Thank you, Loksan.
Wow, grabe naman yan. Girls, this is again na talaga yung mga sponsorship gigs talaga. Somebody taking care of your beautiful skin. Siyempre, nandiyan din ang mga yung awesome stars. So maraming salamat po for believing in our girls and for truly proud of you girls. Alright, so having said that, you know what? There's one music legend and expert who said that right now is a renaissance in OPM, particularly yung P-pop natin, diba? It's the golden age of P-pop, sabi nga nila. And of course, apart from Una, there are a lot of groups right there really pushing for the same vision. Yun yung maihatid natin yung P-pop sa buong mundo, hindi yan sa Pilipinas. At makapagpasaya tayo ng napakaraming tao into different diverse audiences. Having said that, that is truly happening to this day. Because in this very room, we've got other P-pop groups really supporting you girls. Talagang all-out support sila right here. And of course, I'm right here to mention them and to get a message also from them, di ba? Siyempre, we are all aspiring for the same dream. At hindi ito competition sa bawat isa sa kanila dahil the world, the universe of P-pop is totally big and huge. They are all aspiring for the same one. So, having said that, nandito po in full support, palakpakan po natin. We have with us, I see them right here, the boys of Aeon are all present! Tayo naman sila? Tayo naman kayo? Aeon? Ayan! Okay! Siyempre, they're right here. Teka lang, inipuntahan ko naman sila. Akin daw sila! Boys, come on right here! Yeah! Grabe, they're in full support also. And if there are people who understand the hardship, the resilience that you need to be in the industry, syempre, naiintindihan talaga yung mga boys natin from Aeon. So they're here. Okay. Apart from them, we have other groups also present here. Tatawagin din natin sila mamaya. Ayan.
Naka-uniform po yung Ayo.
Oo. Hindi sila nag-prepare.
Hindi nag-prepare.
Alright. Hi boys, baby girls, you can stay right here para magkasya tayo sa stage ng ating One Big Family. And syempre, let's pass a microphone to them para naman, guys, pagpalilala naman kayo sa ating mga fans also, mga audience natin.
Alright, I think we can work. Alright, let's go.
Hit the switch and step for
Aeon! Hello everyone, I am Lex.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dean. Hello po.
Hi, Gab.
Hello po, ako si Joshua. Hello, I'm Chili. Hello po, my name is Rim. And once again, we are Aeon. Wow, grabe. Aeon is right here. Nakita nyo talaga pag naging K-pop star, iba yung star power, iba yung dating na nila di ba? So, the voice of Aeon, I do have a question for you before I ask for a message for our Golden Girls. Like what I said, kayo, alam niyo yung hirap na pinagdadaanan at pagdadaanan pa ng ating girls. But of course, you're all part of the whole P-pop movement. Like what I said, wala tayong competition dito. We are here to level everybody up. Ano yung sa inyo, ano yung pinaka milestone na masasabi ninyo na dapat abangan ng mga girls natin sa kanilang magiging career moving forward?
Milestone that we have right now.
Yes, yes.
That we have right now. Siguro, it's the essence of being together. You know, kami kasi nag-start kami na magkakasama. Diba? So I think ganun din yung girls, no? So yung foundation na yung kapitan natin yun. Kasi there will come a time that there will be trials.
Wow.
Marami mga challenges at that time. Pero yung being together, if you promise that you're gonna be together up until the end, up until you reach your dreams, that's a big milestone together. Kahit starting pa lang.
Wow! Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda. Sorry, just being together. Anything else? Sir, maybe you want to add something?
I think lahat naman kami dito, we have the same dreams. Pero manifesting na lang na madaming big stages for Mona. And I think lahat din po sila may vision for you guys. And congratulations! Congratulations!
So for the other boys naman, just one quick question lang. Para may iba yung tanong ng konti. What are you excited for the girls for? Yung nakikita yung future sa kanila, yung may excited para sa kanila.
Siyempre, yung concert.
Oh!
Hindi ko sobrang panonood talaga ako. Nasa VIP ako.
Wow!
Bibili ka na.
Bili ako ng ticket. Para kumita kayo.
Wow! So full support talaga, di ba?
Oo,
Siyempre,
support.
sa pera na tayo, may ticket sales ka agad, di ba? Alright. So, ito naman, tanong ko, iba yung walang yung tanong, one last question. Kailan yung unang nakilala? Yung una, just looking back, sino yung unang nakilala niyo sa kanila? And saang setting or anong environment niyo sila nakilala?
Ako si sa BGCA.
Siguro po, for as a group, naging po namin sila sa People Fest. And you will just feel na parang mag-click agad kayo. Diba? So sila kasi katabi din namin na table. And nag-click naman talaga kasi parang pala kami ng vocal coach. So si Coach
Sila yung una namin nakapola.
Yeah.
Okay, so wrap up tayo. Very quickly, yung final message nyo para sa mga mga girls.
Ako yun I wish you all the best and dito sa journey naman hindi kayo mag-isa since marami tayong nakasuporta bukod sa family and other people groups as well. And ayun, Dara Masotin! Dara Masotin!
Ladies and gentlemen, the boys of Aeon! Walang natin. Maraming salamat guys sa full support. And ang isa dyan, tatawagin ko na ang ating next na group na talaga masumusuporta sa ating mga P-pop girls right now. We have also the boys of GA2! Alright guys, tayo na mo kayo. Come on, stand up. Stand up, join us right here on stage. Come on. Sige. Alam ko, masikip yung venue natin dahil napakarami natin. Pero, sisiyawan na tayo ngayon na. Okay. Alright. Hello. GAT. JT, pagkain mo na kayo sa ating mga una girls. Magpakilala mo na kayo ng mabilis na.
Hi everyone! I'm Gan Ethan. I'm Gan Kurt.
I'm good, guys.
I'm Gan Michael at Camilla.
GAT! Alright. GAT boys. So probably the same question. So question number one, what are you excited about for our girls looking forward in their career?
Parang ako yung nervous. No, but of course we look forward to good music. And syempre, gusto namin makita ng concert and an album sana, no? Kasi,
Wow. Right. Well said. Alright, and finally, what's your final message and advice naman para sa kanilang grupo as a final message? Go ahead.
I think enjoy all the moments with each other. Kahit yung mga away, yung mga good, yung bad, enjoy nyo lang talaga. Kasi doon yung makuha yung totoong growth sa group. So,
Wow, definitely. So, having said that, we got a lot more to cover, pero palakpakan naman natin ang ating GAT boys! Maraming salamat! Congrats, guys! Thank you very much for having us. Thank you very much for joining us right here on stage. Okay, marami pa tayong ibibigay. Thank you guys for joining us right here. Thank you very much. So, from unang sponsors pa, hindi pa po nagtatapos dyan. We got a lot of people who supporting them, maraming sponsors, maraming tao, maraming fans and all that. We've got more video messages for you, so let's all watch this.
Hi, this is Abby.
We are very happy.
You are very good.
Hello, Luna. I just want to tell you guys that we are so proud of you at Stanley Entertainment. You guys have so much good job. They welcome us to yeah, wish you all the best. And we'll call you guys and support you on the yeah.
Congrats una, simulan mo namin katuparan ng mga pangarap ninyo. Isa kayo sa makabagong generasyon ng girl group na yun, kaya gagawin ninyo, ha? At huwag kalimutan na naglalaban, bawal umawit, get out!
Congratulations muna at syempre, we're looking for you and talagang muna dahil namin na big ang tamang sa videos. So we show the best and hope that an amazing journey. Go for it.
Hi, this is Nomar Salim.
Wow! Bakit pala? Una sa 150 By the way, congratulations muna and good luck sa journey.
Yes, dito sa inyo, at kailangan nyo namin, girl, dito ako una.
Huwag yung tatabihan. Una ako. Pang-William Marcy.
Hello sa aking Pina Girl Group, Pretty Girls. Congratulations agad-agad and I'm praying for success and kay Lord sa magiging journey nyo. Super excited ako sa mga kapatid na pasado nyo. Andito lagi si Ate Sila to guide and support and cheer syempre. Kaya laban lang yung laban, huwag kang hihirapan. Dahil lahat ng pagkikirap, maganda ang makaligin. God bless you girls! Love you! Congratulations!
There you go! That is of course coming from your Aguila Entertainment family. Kaming mga auntie si Kuya nyo, talagang kayo ang pagpato namin pagdating sa P-Pop. Kaya naman, we're truly proud of you. But of course, hindi na nagtatapos. We have one more video. Very special video dahil isang malaking announcement dito para sa ating lahat. Kasi kahit ako hindi ko alam kung anong mangyari sa video. So, gawin na lang natin. Let's all watch this.
Yes, mother! We would like to welcome our sister group now. Una, welcome to ABS Hi, we are 1621. Welcome, Una, to ABS Music.
Everything's in the day, outside. Hi, Una. Welcome to ABS Music. Welcome to the fam.
Later. 3, 2, 1. We have arrived. We are right. Welcome to ABS Music.
Wow! Napansin niyo ba, may welcome din na kayo sa ABS-CBN Music. Baka akala niyo prank to, but of course, ladies and gentlemen, palapan natin dahil ang una ay parte na po ng ABS-CBN Music! Wow! So, hindi niyo na alam. Katulad nga sasabi ko, para mo hindi pa rin kayo naiiyak. Akala niyo pinaprank namin kayo, huwag muna kayong iiyak, pero para patunayan na talaga exciting to be a part of ABS-CBN Music. Ladies and gentlemen, we got our family from ABS-CBN Music. Nasa po sila kaway-kaway kayo? They're right here on stage. Hello, nandito sila in full support. At syempre, nandito po ang music head ng ABS-CBN Music. We got ahead Miss Roxy Liquigan. Would like to ask Mr. pala, Mr. Sorry. Ayan, Mr. Roxy Liquigan. Can we have a Roxy? Ayan. And of course, we have the head of content, creatives, and operations, Mr. Jonathan Macano, the legendary. And we also have our label head, Andy Arellano. Sir, ano ko kayo kasi? Sir Jonathan, Miss Andy Arellano, salamat po. So, ayan, to make it official, Sir Roxy, maybe you can batiin mo naman natin mga girls about the density.
We're very excited for Luna and marami na kaming plans for you guys and abangan na yung first album ng Luna. So we're working on it and Jonathan again before they will be under Star Music. So congratulations Luna.
Again, we welcome you to your ABS-CBN Music family and of course your label Star Music. Sobrang excited for una kasi kitang-kita niyo naman they have the best looks.
Grabe, no?
Yes, and each of them individually have beautiful voices. They have really good moves and the chemistry of a really great group. Kaya excited kami for your future with us, being part of your management now, and your official label, Star Music.
Right. Jonathan, I have a follow-up question for you. Kasi I was watching this podcast that you had with my best friends in Creative. And you said, this time around, this is the renaissance in the golden age of P-pop. When you met the girls for the very first time, through your head, ano yung first impression was that?
Una ko silang nakita, sobrang na-excited. Again, another confirmation na talaga, ibang level na talaga yung talents na meron ng Gen Z artists natin. And truly, confirmation na we're experiencing a new golden age of Ubian. So
Wow.
I'm very excited for
Well
this.
said. Miss Andy, ikaw naman, noong una mong na-meet na natin kung mga girls, what was your first impression?
Actually, I already saw their music video. It was, Sir Jonathan, let's meet these girls. Parang, okay sila. Very promising young ladies. We're so excited for the new sound of the girls. Very cute, very sexy at the same time. And we just want to welcome you to the Star Music family. We're so excited to have you guys.
Thank you, sir. Sir Roxy, final question. Of course, you being a great force in the music industry in the Philippines, and sila Sir Jonathan in full support of P-pop and all that. What vision do you see for P-pop? Is it a bright future for us? And like conquering the local and the world also? The success that you have with me especially.
Actually, it's now. P-pop is now. P-pop is happening. So, with our artists, the roster namin kanina, especially with Vinny, BGYO, Baby Dolls, and now Luna. So, I think 2027 will be the year of Luna. So, we're excited.
Alright, having said that, let's have a quick photo op. Squeeze it in the middle. At syempre, we're very thankful, syempre, for ABS-CBN Music to be here. And we'll give a chance for a quick photo op. Ayan. All smiles at the camera muna tayo. Alright, and once again, palapakan po natin ang sumata ng ABS-CBN Music. Thank you, Sir Roxy, Sir Jonathan, Miss Andy, maraming salamat. So, ladies, let's make it. That makes it really official. Anong nararamdaman ninyo na now officially you're a part of the ABS-CBN Music family also? Anyone speechless, ha? Go ahead, Miss Andy.
To be honest po, hindi ko po nagsisink in sa amin lahat from this milestone. Tapos ngayon may Star Music na po na mag-aalala sa amin. Sobrang unexpected po ng lahat. And we've been praying for this ng sobrang lahat. And especially after so many redirection.
Wow, congratulations. So 1 year in, meron na tayong major label team. And now, siguro more questions for you girls. Let's take a few steps back muna. Yeah, sige, dahil may mga katanungan ako sa inyo for quick Q&A. Let's have our seats right here at the very stage. Yeah, papauwi na natin ng ating mga girls dahil I'm sure they've been studying all night on. Okay. Here we go. Sige, yung mga girls muna natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Maybe another one. Here we go. Okay. 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 Here we go. Alright. Please do sit down, girls. Here we go. Ayan. So, we prepared a few questions once we get to know more kayo ng mga analysis. So, yung second question kasi nyo, let's take a few steps back po and talk about paano nga ba kayo nabuo. And maybe you can walk us through very quickly about your pre-debut journey. Bago tayo napunta sa stage na to, how did you form the group?
Actually, before this book, we were part of a training program. And we auditioned for this.
Right.
So we knew each other na po, even before this. Tapos, nakapasa na kami together.
All together in the as a group?
Gusto ko sabihin ni Jules, nagaling na kami si Bella. Si Bella! Sorry guys, sorry. Bella.
I know it's a haze right now kasi siya na po, ang daming nangyayari talaga doon. But go ahead.
Kasi po, Jules po yung, lang na kayo sa akin sa kanya. Pero ibang gusto ko iparating ni Bella is nagaling po kami sa isang search na nagkakilala kami doon. For a girl group din po ito, pero for a different management. So doon po kami nagkakilala. And unfortunately po, hindi po kami natagap doon. But, yeah, hindi po kami natagap sa final cut. But, we're very grateful po na we're here na parang redirection po ito for us. And nag-audition po kami for this. And sabay-sabay po kami natagap.
Yeah, a lot of times in life, you kind of think yung mga rejections that we experience. It's the end already. For some people, ayaw ka na hindi na. Pero kayo, iba, you were resilient. Mas lalo kayong umakas. Mas lalo na pinigay yung mga kaya nyo. Would you actually, for those people who are looking forward also to having a music career, is that one of the things that they should look forward to? Yung rejection. Parang, how should they go through that experience?
Yes po, for us po, una, yun talaga yung parang isa sa beliefs po natin as a group na huwag mo tayong susubo kasi normal po yun sa industry, sa lahat po ng mga pagdadaanan sa buhay natin. Lagi po may rejection, lagi hindi natin agad po yung gusto natin. Pero I believe na failure is not the opposite of success, it's just part of it.
Wow! Miss Philippines! Grabe! Alright, of course, pero like what I said, yung mga una girls natin, as a group, you are as one, you are united with one big bright future. Pero bawat isa sa inyo, may kanya-kanya kayong journey, bilang isang tumantin. So, maybe looking back, 5 years ago, ano kayo, anong ginagawa niyo individually? Ano yung storya ng buhay niyo? At paano niyo nasabi sa sarili niyo na, wow, so maging big artist? Go ahead.
Actually, ako, personal ko talaga is wonderful po.
Well, go ahead. You're very good. I'm in the block.
Pero wonderful ko talaga yung personal ko. Pero kasi since the pandemic, grabe, parang nakalawang yung trainings ko. Sayang sa college. For sure talaga yung personal ko. Dream ko yung pero ayun, since the pandemic, nagsama ko sa bahay. Tapos, parang nag-aral ako sa mga K-pop choreographies. Tapos parang, oh my God, masaya ko sa mayaw. So parang it's a newly found passion. I really fell in love with dancing and performing. So like in the past 5 years, parang nag-training ako talaga para I joined dancing competitions before joining this. Actually, nag-dance competitions ako.
Right.
Because I wanted to be stronger for this
Right.
type of stuff.
Right. You were preparing for yourself for a bigger stage than volleyball.
Everything that I went through,
Right. It's now making sense. No, so lahat ng iniyak mo in the past, it's now making sense right now. Nag-genuine na naman. Okay lang. Sasamahan namin. Let's talk together.
Sobrang grateful po ako dito. And yun nga po, 5 years ago, I'm a student po. And while I'm a student po, nag-work din po ako sa mga commercials. I do extra po. Nag-extra po ako.
Mahirap na.
Yes po. Nag-extra po ako. And then, nag-join po ako sa mga K-pop dance competition po. Then, nag-aaral ako ng choreography sa online. Tapos, ayun, nag-audition po ako sa mga dancing, K-pop dancing cover, mga ganun po. And then, yun po yung parang ginawa ko pong motivation para maging K-pop idol.
Kailan mo nasabi sa sarili mo na, ay, kaya ko pala pagkawin, pwede pala ako. I belong here.
Yeah, ako po kasi, mahilig po kasi ako mag-join kung ano-ano. Like parang nag-discover ako, ay, akin to.
Tenacity.
Opo, grabe, sabi ko, ay, akin to. Magaling ako to. Ganun po ako tao. Ay, isa ko to. Gagawin ko to. Tapos nag-enjoy ko.
Well said. Alright, next girl.
Ako po, 5 years ago, nasa isang girl group din po ako, my previous girl group, which is ML48. So, ever since po, gusto ko lang po talagang nabuto sa industry, entertainment industry. So, yun na po talaga, I always baka po ako yung pinupuso ko eh. So, nag-start po ako mag-audition, like, just like Jane po, nag-start po ako commercials, nag-extra po sa mga serye. So, yun po, 5 years ago, nagka-training din po. Pero ayun po, I just want to say that to start over po and to be here again, to try again, para sa bagong group, it took me a lot of courage po to take, syempre, start po ulit ako, mag-training po ulit ako, gagawin ko ulit lahat ng ginawa ko from the start. So, I'm so happy and grateful po na yung mga tao kung sumusuporta po sa akin before, kasama ko pa rin po sila ngayon. So, super thankful po.
So you begin a new chapter for you, diba? That's another story of not giving up, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, Isaki, no? Sino ba si Isaki 5 years ago? Kailan mo nalaman na, uy, kaya pag-ipang ka?
Ako, bata pa lang po talaga, hindi na ako mag-perform. So, sa masaya, ganyan. And then, 2018, nag-start na po ako mag-audition sa K-pop dahil gusto ko na bigger stage, especially dahil. And, nahilig din po kasi ako sa K-pop before. So, yun yung naging inspiration ko to pursue K-pop din. And then, sa sobrang dami ko na po pinag-audition na, feeling ko po, halos, marami po ako groups na almost nandun ako. And feeling ko kilala ko yung po yung karamihan doon. And then, hanggang sa nagkasama ko sa isang group before. And then, nawala ako sa K-pop scene and sa social media. And take a break po ako dahil nag-aral. And sinubukan ko po yung personal cybersecurity.
Wow, cybersecurity.
For software developer.
Wow.
Yun po yung path na pinupursue ko before nag-stop po ako sa K-pop. And then nag-migrate po yung family ko sa ibang side. And then, nagtagal po ako na parang sabi ko, ay, miss ko mag-perform. So,
It's in you, no? Hindi mo ma-shake off yung
so, umuwi po ako isa dito sa Philippines para po mag-audition ulit. I-try ulit from the start. Sa simula talaga, from zero. And then, surprisingly po, sobrang unexpected. Nagkasama po kami. Like, we're meant to be. We're meant to be together.
Ako naman naniniwala ko, we're always at the right place at the right time. Kahit hindi natin gusto, di ba? Kaya Isaki, I've always heard the word redirection from you whenever we ask you these heartfelt questions. No? Do you feel that this is the university redirecting you for this?
Yes po, dahil especially 2024 and 2025, nagkaroon po ako ng time na sobrang umiiyak na talaga ako while praying. Tapos, sobrang lost dahil sobrang dami na po ng rejection, negation, and then
Grabe, the tears were really flowing. And of course, si Bella naman, Bella, I want to know what your story is.
Actually, ever since I was young, I remember I still remember when I was 7 years old, 7 ko was Hannah Montana. I used to nag-perform ko ako sa stage. Pero, before this for this group, I used to join G-Force. I used to train there. I used to back up in G-Force as well. Because I was like, oh, I wanna try singing then. I wanna go back to performing. Tapos, nag-try ko ako mag-audition. I wanted to try something new kasi. Tapos from there, ayun, na-enjoy ko yung with singing.
You are also meant to be here, definitely. Okay? Alright, wow. I know, mga pag-NNK yung tanong na yun, talagang we know na your story about this sa inyo, you're right here, right now. Ito po yung naman natin live yung susunod na question. So, like what I said, the P-pop industry in the Philippines is really at its golden age. And ang tanong ko naman sa inyo, sino ba yung P-pop group na hinahangaan ninyo? At sino rin yung in the future, nakikita nyo, ako lang itong mga P-pop group na ito. So, hard question, ha? Pero sige, let's do it.
Ako po, Dini.
Wow! Why?
Because ano po the voices, grabe din yung mga voices nila, and also their stage presence.
And the story that they
Yeah.
have, diba? Grabe. So, believer.
Yeah.
Quite. Nakakapagdali.
Ako po, kung tataas mo natin, dito tayo sa people change privilege na. So that is everything that it will be.
I-manifest natin yan. Sana sa universe. Okay. If this day is possible, then it is possible right now. Tama ba? Alright. Go ahead.
Ako po, yun din po super, I really look up to them po, and isa po sila sa mga sa aking inspiration ko po sa pag-perform, yung mga pinagdaanan po nila, the way they perform, the way they teach, kung ano po yung mga pinapakita nila, and pinaparating ko nila sa supporters nila. Gusto ko rin po siya marinig. And yung ginawa po nila ng pag-inspire sa akin, hindi po sa akin, pero sa maraming tao, ay sa maraming po performers pa. Super, gusto ko rin po na maging ganun. Gusto ko rin po mag-motivate na marami.
But your very own version of it.
Yes, of course.
Wow, really nice, really nice. Sandy, how about you?
SB19 po for sure.
SB19.
I love how they use their story po to inspire people. Tapos sobrang creative yung way
Right.
to tell the story. And sobrang nilutong ako po talaga.
Right. I like that you mentioned that they are creative. Right now, for you to actually succeed, hindi ka dapat parang kumanta and sumayaw di ba? Bawat PD and of course SB19, may creatives involved and bawat isa sa kanila talaga involved sa journey nila, di ba? And napointa nyo naman yung sa Darama pala, di ba? How creative you guys were with that one. How about you, Bella? Sino yung gusto mo or you?
Probably beautiful because I like this they're very cutesy and girly and nakakarinig po ako doon. So ako personally,
Marami naman. So, mag-secret naman talaga rin sila. Okay. Alright, now na manifest na natin. Kasi yung mga gusto nyo pang-11 when you're looking forward to in the future. Medyo gawin natin mas lighter ba? So, a lot of your songs, like Only Me, Darama, may factor siya. Alam ko, angas sa mga dance move nyo. Pero it's coming from inspiration. So, ang tanong mo naman sa inyo, sino ba ang nagpapakinig sa mga unang girls? So, it can be a local artist, international artist, or maybe somebody that you know in your first memory. So, sino nagpapakinig sa inyo?
Well, ako po, syempre, una-una lang po dyan yung family ko, family, friends, and supporters ko. Pero kung tatanungin po ako ng international artist, syempre sabihin ko rin po yung crush. Byeonjang and Taeyang of BTS.
Wow, BTS. Okay. Next.
Ako po, family ko po, inspiration ko po talaga, and friends na support sa akin. So, journey ko, yes,
Baka naman yung universe, kinakailan, hello, ano? Alright. Yes, up? Sino ba? Meron ba girls natin? Sino nag-i-inspire sa inyo? Artist, crush ninyo, nagpapakinig sa inyo? Right. BTS as well. Yan pa ba yung hinahas ka? Sa akin, hindi ko. Galing sa? Saan? Sa bansa? Somewhere Europe. Hindi wala po. Hindi nga nagpapatuloy. Pero I'm sure mag-inspire ka din dahil napakarami pa natin isusunod ng mga kanta para sa inyo, di ba? So you will have to get that experience. So ito, very quick question. Uso sa K-pop, even K-pop, wala ang fan group name. Pero sa Pilipinas, sa SB19, we have the 80s. May fan group name na ba kayo for your unang fans? Meron na ba?
We want everyone, like yung mga fans and supporters maging involved sa pagiging nila.
Right.
So like actually right now,
Wala na.
and we want to hear, still want to hear from them as well.
So, so ililist na rin natin yung mga options na yan. More importantly, maybe you guys can be active online. Pag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba ang manilitaw natin sa ating mga unang fandom. Hindi ba? Alright, so let's wrap this up. Girls, ang daming nangyari today. Grabe yung success ninyo, yung lahat ng pinangarap ninyo, lahat ng hardships that you experienced in the past for now, at this beginning of your career. I say beginning kasi before, napakarami pang pwede nyo i-achieve. Sabihin nyo before, hindi achieve. Pero nandito tayo ngayon. So, final message. Ano yung mga gusto nyo mensahe para sa mga taong nag-look forward at nag-look para sa inyo? Go ahead.
First of all, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nandito. Thank you all for your presence po sa families namin, sa friends namin, and sa fans, sponsors, and everything po, everyone, sa coaches po namin, sa management po namin, ganito ba? Sobrang grateful po mga girls, and syempre to people, yes na, and Akira po, who have been with us from the start, who really, yung mga coaches po namin na nagtiwala sa kakayahan namin. Thank you so much.
Wow, for Puna Jenny.
Nakikita ko po kagabi ka, nakagabi po ako na nag-excite. Sobrang grateful po ako sa mga nangyari po. Here, girls po. And yan, sabihin ko po, gusto ko po kasalamat girls po.
Wow.
Thank you so much for being here. And yes.
Wow. Yung may nagsasakitan kayo, may nag-iiyakan kayo at the same time.
Sobrang grateful po ako sa girls kasi sila po talaga yung naman po sa akin. Hindi cheer up. Sila po yung grabe. Sobrang hirap po kasi pag hindi pa idol, hindi ko siya biro, hindi ko siya biro. Hindi ko siya biro. Marami akong sacrifices. Time.
Palaman niyo naman ladies and gentlemen.
Marami akong sacrifices. Time. And sa mga family, friends, sa lahat po na nakapag-focus for being an artist. So, thank you girls for making me through this journey. And sobrang proud po ako sa kanila kasi marami po kaming ideas. And sobrang thankful po kami na meron na po kami record label na pwede na po kami magbigay ng mga ideas na grabe gusto namin gawin sa
or feel if these girls are really putting on those hours? How about you, ma'am? Go ahead.
Ako po, parang wala po akong ibang masabi kundi thank you po. Super grateful ako po talaga. And since this is Luna's Day, gusto ko lang po talaga ng super, ulit ako kasi grateful talaga ako. Right? Blessing po talaga sa akin yung Luna. Actually, before una ko, I was really sila po yung parang talagang naging isang tuloy na parang, eto yun, isa sa needs ko. Kumbaga, kaya super blessed talaga ako sa girls na po kasi isa sila sa nag-anak sa akin po, sa akin sa my family and my friends. Super thankful po talaga ako sa una. Also, to our management po, to our supporters, thank you so much. To our coaches, sa mga sponsors po namin, sa lahat po na nandito to support us. Thank you so much po. Wala po ako na at hindi ko mabubuo po marami. So, yun na po. Sobrang thank you lang po talaga yung sa akin.
Thank you so much for the first one, exactly. Go ahead.
Thank you, Lord. Kasi finally, hanap ko na yung puso ko. After so many years, nandito na yung girls, at syempre yung management namin sa Isla and Alda. Thank you sa pag-aalala sa amin. Sobrang po sa mga alaga. And lahat po yung support na kayo na ibigay po and ngayon, nagtagal pa po ng Star Music. So, grabe, sobrang dami ko na po na nag-aalaga at nagmamahal sa mga. So, maraming salamat po. And syempre sa family ko and friends. Sobrang thank you kasi ang haba na po ng years na tinulungan ko dito. And andyan pa rin po sa support ko. And syempre sa girls. Actually, kagabi pa po kami umiiyak sa GC. Kasi sobrang sweet po ito after mga pinagdaanan po namin. And hindi namin expected na magiging group kami. So, nag-click kami ng sobra. Masasabi ko po talaga na no one created this group. God did. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I'm very, very grateful. Hindi po namin sasayawan lahat ng opportunity na ibigay po sa amin.
Alright. Una Bella, the tears are flowing. What does it mean for you to be here today? What's your message to our queens?
My family, of course, and my friends for going here. And super, hindi ko talaga ako paniwala today.
Hindi siya pa nagiging ba?
Kasi ang dami ko namin pinagdaanan.
Well deserved. Tama ba? Ladies and gentlemen, well deserved. Having said that, we have to wrap up this conversation kasi napakarami pa natin mga handa dyan na pwede i-enjoy. But we will have to have our official photos with you girls. Kaya naman, we can already stand up. We can clear the stage from the seats and let's have the official photo walk with our older girls for this one. Kaya freshen up a little bit, girls. Para naman sa ating mga media friends. And of course, sa ating mga media friends, you will have a chance to interview our older girls later on. Kindly want yourself into my day. Girls, maybe you can step forward right here. Ayan, so, this is a time for our official photo op from our media friends and from our fans as well. Pwede po yung photo op. Let's have some light. Ilaw naman tayo dito sa stage para our girls are always on top of the game. Right here. Maybe you can put on some music as well. And we'd like to, of course, remind everybody for more updates. Of course, follow at una.official on Instagram and TikTok, and Una on Facebook as well. Alright, well, this is happening. We'd like to once again thank our sponsors, people who make this event possible. Maraming salamat sa premier partners natin at the time, Astro Advertising, IBI College Group, Sante Barley, Janice, and Annual and Napkit, our gold partner, Super Staff, the Chandelier, Mayor Jackie De Dios, Party Smith, Soco Hotel, official partner is Institute, Cara Care, Zelda, team, just makes Mama Laura, Nelson Kapamilya, Racing Zero, Gay Graphics, and Printing. And Electric District, special thanks to those who have been Zacco, Zacco, Rose, Gavito, Doris, Shag, Agnes